Hello, dear friends. I am Pradeep Pawar from Shivraj Vidyalaya Itode Khurd. Welcome to our YouTube channel Varna E-Education. Today we are going to learn a very nice poem. The name of the poem is Truth. This poem is very nice because the poem tells us the truth of our life. Now, do we see the warming up exercise? First, chit chat. There are few questions. The first question is, do we speak the truth all the time? The answer of that question is yes. We try to speak truth each and every time of our life, but the hard situation make us speak lies sometimes. People always want to speak truth, but some moment of our life make us so disappointed that we have to tell lie. The second question is, why do we tell lies? The answer of that question, there are some motives for telling lies. The first motive is protect someone else from punishment. The second motive is obtain a reward. Third, get out from awkward situation. Fourth, win admiration from others. And fifth, avoid embarrassment. The third question is, how can word hurt someone? The answer, words hurt someone mentally. Mental pain is more severe than painful than physical pain. Words can affect one's self esteem and self respect. The fourth question is, why should we take care of using proper words while speaking? The answer is because you can never take them back once you say or ask something. When we talk with someone, it is necessary to see that we don't hurt them by our words. Before talking, we must think twice. The fifth question is, how do we break relationships? The answer is, we break relationships when we don't think before we speak. When we speak to others in a rude way, it affects our relationships with them and can eventually cause the relationship to break. There is two questions. The first question is, write down five things that make you very happy. For example, our team wins the match. In my opinion, the first is, I score well in my exam, reading a book that I like, watching my favorite films, spending time with my family, going on a vacation. The second question is, write down five things that are hard to forget because they had upset you greatly. For example, my best quarreled with me. The first is, someone I trusted had lied to me. Second is, I was the one who was scolded when my brother had broken a vase. Third, the judges of debate competition had not judged the competition fairly. Fourth, when I saw a old lady making a living by working as a porter. And fifth, preparing for the wrong proper during exam. Now the third question is rhyming scheme. Rhyme scheme is a pattern of lines that rhyme other lines in the stanza of a poem. This pattern of rhyming words can be referred to by using letters of the alphabet to indicate lines that rhyme. For example, in the first stanza of the poem, the rhyme scheme is A B C B. The answer is second and third stanza of the poem. The rhyme scheme is also A B C B. Now I explain the poem, The Truth. The first four lines, the truth is, sticks and stones may break my bones, but words can also hurt me. Stones and sticks break only skin, while words are ghosts that haunt me. Now I explain these four lines. The author says that words are very powerful, just like sticks and stones may cause physical injury to him. Words to have the power to hurt him. He says that the stones and sticks would only break his skin, whereas bitter and unkind words are like ghosts that would haunt him for a long time. Now I read the second fourth line. Slant and curved, the fall were swords to freeze and stick inside me. Bats and bricks may act through bones, but words can mortify me. Now I explain the four lines. The author then explains how words are like sharp swords that can freeze inside him and cause him suffering. He compares the act caused by bats and bricks to that of insulting words. According to him, insulting words can make him feel embarrassed and ashamed and are therefore more hurtful than bats and bricks. Now, last four lines. I explain the. I read. First, I read these last four lines. Pain from words has left its scare on mind and hurt that's tender. Cuts and bruises now are held. It words that I remember. In the last stanza, the poet states that the harsh words have left their scare on his mind and his sensitive heart. On the one hand, the cuts and bruises on the body have healed, but on the other hand, the unpleasantment of the harsh and unkind words are not easy to forget. Thank you.